Hi everyone, Rosie Tours here. I'm back for another Get Directions video this 4th of June, Saturday afternoon, 2:23 p.m. Right now I'm here at Farmers Plaza coming from the MRT entrance. We are going to update this video on how to cross over from Farmers Plaza to Gateway Mall. This is one major change, the archway leading off to the Farmers Plaza Bazaar on level 4. We are now on level 3, so this is definitely a defining feature here and landmark that can help guide your way. So let's begin our tour. On the right is your next best landmark, KFC. To its left is Pizza Hut. So we will just follow the hallway along KFC until we reach the corner, and that would be Watson's. A lot of people out this Saturday afternoon. Great weather despite it being officially the rainy season here in Metro Manila or the Philippines in general. I don't have my external mic with me, so I hope you can still hear me pretty well. We've now reached the corner of Watson's here in front of me. So what we need to do is to still follow the path straight. And this is the new change. The Bridgeway entrance crossing over to Gateway Mall has now been shifted to this side, which is right along the alley of Max's restaurant. Explore this side to cross over to Gateway Mall. And up ahead, you can see Max's. So this is a fairly straightforward way going to Gateway Mall. All you need to do is to walk straight. No need to turn left or right or anything. And that's what we're doing now. Just to give you a good perspective, right at the end of this hall, as you can see in front, that used to be the path going to Gateway Mall, but now they've closed it and reopened the entrance here on the right side of Handyman coming from the MRT entrance. So once again, there is no longer a bridgeway, or the bridgeway on the left side of Handyman has been closed and has been reopened here. And this is in preparation for the opening of Gateway Mall 2 in a few months' time, I believe, this year. That has been up in the horizon for quite some time now. Oh, see? There's the announcement. Gateway Mall 2 will open in December this year, and I'm truly excited to see that. Up ahead, that used to be the other bridgeway connecting Gateway Mall 1. So as you can see, it's now keep following the path. We've just turned left from where we were. Once again, this is pretty straightforward. You don't have to go anywhere else, just follow the path. By the way, we are still under alert level 2 here in Metro Manila. More people have been coming out since. You can feel that in general the atmosphere is more relaxed now. So we've just turned that corner, and now this is the main bridge going to Gateway Mall. This part has stayed pretty much the same. It's really just the linking bridge that has changed. So here, your best guide are the stairways leading up to Gateway Mall 1. We're almost there. And here we are at the upper ground floor. Pizza Hut to your left, Mary Grace to the right. If you like this video or it has helped you, do give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more helpful get directions videos like this. Until the next one, keep well and have a rosy day ahead. Bye!